Hi, I'm Turker Hidelar, CEO of iConn Technologies, and I'm here with our project engineer, Fabian Herrmann. And today we are talking about what benefits can engineering outsourcing contribute to in-house product design and development. So Fabian, what type of problems can companies experience that are trying to design everything in-house under their ecosystem, not taking advantage of outsourcing parts of their engineering developments?
Yes. What is a common issue is that engineers, they don't have the know-how or the skill set, where they cannot really find a solution. Additionally to that, it may be difficult for companies to find the most qualified engineering partner or solution. And also to have in-house engineering is very costly. So companies don't even have specified high-skilled engineers in-house.
So Fabian, what are the disadvantages of not outsourcing engineering, design, and development?
What the major disadvantages are, for instance, when it comes to engineering knowledge or skill set, that companies may don't even have that skill set, or that it's difficult for companies to find the most qualified engineering partner or solution. And additionally, to have in-house engineering teams for companies, it is very costly, which they cannot afford, unfortunately.
For example, a company needs an IP67 requirement, but in their history, they have had no experience or challenge to design an IP67 compliant system. In such cases, trial and error is an option that may be very costly, lengthy, and may end up in failure. Or you work with an engineering house or a manufacturer that provides value-added engineering that has done this dozens of times, delivering you exactly what you needed in the shortest possible time at the best price possible. So Fabian, at iConn, how do we solve the problem?
So first of all, how we solve this problem is we pre-vet or pre-screen the project documentation which we receive from our customers, because there's several possible outcomes to do so. For instance, first of all, there could be a lack of documentation or insufficiency in the product design, meaning that is it even manufacturable? And ultimately, what iConn's goal here is to help to point the customer in the right direction to find a solution to solve and bring their product to market. Okay, Turker, so what value does iConn bring to the table?
Very good question, Fabian. So at iConn, we are specialized in myriad of disciplines. At iConn, we provide engineered manufacturing solutions. We cover a broad range of services: sheet metal stamping, plastic injection, die casting, machining, cable assemblies. And it is all about collaboration to identify the solutions to these different issues, view the product at every angle, and support it with strong documentation. Many engineers that review the design at the very beginning of the project. Collaboration is key in formulating solutions. With iConn, you have access to in-depth skill set that will formulate solutions to support your unique selling propositions of your specific product needs. These resources are available to you through our US-based interface, and we are accountable under US standards at all time. At iConn, we will position ourselves as an extension of your engineering. Our engineering resources are skilled and ready to complement your in-house engineering at all time. Overall benefits in working with iConn are complete and thorough review of products, accountability held to US standards, and of course, documentation from start to finish.
Thanks for joining us as we talked about what benefits can engineering outsourcing contribute to in-house product design and development. For more information, download one of our many case studies at icon-ems.com. you.